Avoid summer cold. Here are the best remedies. Number 1, make sure to get plenty of rest and sleep. Number 2, avoid excessive activities and stress that may challenge your immune system. Number 3, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluid, especially water, and avoid beverages that could dehydrate like alcohol, coffee, energy drinks. Number 4, good intake of vitamin C, zinc and iron rich food which will improve your immune system. Number 5, wash your hands frequently, especially when you are coming from any public spaces. Avoid food or drinks that can cause dehydration such as alcohol, caffeine or salty foods. Please do like and share this valuable information and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.